Buying a motorcycle gear is almost like an afterthought. You wish you had bought one only when it's too late. Suppose you meet with an accident, you break your leg, you wish you had bought a boot. Or you break your hand, you wish you had bought a gloves. Over the years, due to the effort from law and companies, it's now established that helmets are a must-have motorcycle gear. So this video is not just about helmets. This video is about going beyond that. This video is about all the other accessories you should invest in as a beginner rider. As a beginner rider, one of the most overlooked things is buying the right accessories at the right price. This is because you either look at the budget or the comfort. In this video, we are trying to tackle this exact same issue: how to find the right accessories at the right price. Now, let's begin with the basics. A good quality helmet, because you want to be alive, ride more and ride long. Now, helmets are available in different budgets, starting from under 1,000 to over 1 lakh. The key here is to buy the right one at your budget. The main thing to look at is the certifications. Certification ranges from ISI, ECE, DOT. Buying a helmet with the right certification is key, because this is the most safest way to ensure that a helmet will keep you safe in case of an accident. Also, when buying a helmet, the most important thing to look at is fit. Style can initially take a low priority. A helmet should not move on your head but should move with it. And that is why you should focus on fit, comfort, and only then on style. And the thing is, most helmets that is initially tight for you will become loose eventually, because as you wear it, it's going to get more loose. And when choosing colors, go for the brighter ones. Why? Because brighter helmets will keep you safe on the road by making you more visible. Moving on, what according to you is the next most important accessory for a beginner rider? A gloves? A jacket? No, it's the boot. Even in case of small crashes, a motorcycle may fall on your leg and gravely injure your leg. And in case of big accidents, it's the most injured part on your body. And that is why the next important accessory you should invest in is a very good quality riding boot. Now, boots are seen as an expensive accessory, but trust me, investing in a very good one will mean that you will save plenty on medical bills. Now, if you ask me, they're not that expensive either. As a beginner, you can buy an entry-level boot, something that is safe, something that is sturdy, and something that fits your budget. But as you move along your motorcycle journey, you can opt for something like Alpinesters or something on the higher end. To make you even more safe, you can pair this riding boot with a good quality knee pads, or you can also choose riding pants with protections. When in an accident, the most common thing we tend to do is to put our hands forward. Now, this is our instinct to protect our head. Now, what this means, this results in common fractures on your hand. So, gloves are important. When you're buying a gloves, buy gloves with sliders. These are sliders on the inside and outside, and both are very important, because when you fall, these will help you slide. This will avoid and prevent the common fractures on our hand. If your budget allows, go for premium gloves. Compromising on quality here means you are not only putting your hands at risk, but you also lose comfort. Gloves are available in all budgets, but whatever gloves you buy, make sure they have sliders on them. Moving on to the least important accessory for a beginner rider, the jacket. Why the least important, you ask? Because if you have all the above mentioned riding gears, you will likely survive a crash. And that is why we have kept riding jacket as the last option for you. Of course, it is ideal if you buy jackets with all the kind of protections, but make sure you at least have a back protector. Make sure you buy the comfortable jackets with plenty of mesh, because you'll be mostly riding in summertime in India and you want to be kept cool. Pair this riding jacket with a raincoat and you are rain ready. As you progress through your motorcycle journey, you can start investing in some all-weather jackets or more expensive ones. But right now, as a beginner, stick to the basics. Oh, and before you go, make sure you subscribe to our channel, because more awesome motorcycle content is on its way.